Open settings and search for the apps. We will find the install apps. Click on that and find for the Microsoft Edge. You will notice that it doesn't allow you to uninstall it directly. It stays uninstall option is grayed out. So here is the trick.
Here is the trick. From the browser extension, find Wise Program Installer and click on that website. You will find free download. After it will take few minutes to install and set up the file. And click on finish. It will load the website of the Wise program uninstall. In that, in search option, search for Microsoft Edge and click on that and use force uninstall. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes to completely remove Edge. From the Metro apps, search for Microsoft Edge. You will find Microsoft Edge at right side, save and install. Click on that. From the browser extension, find the Microsoft Edge. You will get some files are there. Select all files and click on uninstall. Now let's check whether Microsoft Edge is completely removed or not. Open the control panel on your laptop. Then click on uninstall a program under the program section. Here you will see the list of all installed applications. Scroll through the list and you will notice that Microsoft Edge is no longer there. That means it's successfully and permanently uninstalled from your laptop. So yeah, that's how you can completely remove a Microsoft Edge from your system. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials.